Fun with Maths app. It will have two parts. First is the coding part, and no, the first is the designer part, and the second part is the coding part. And it will ask you questions in which you have to skip the answer or submit it. If you submit and the answer is correct, then you will gain 1 point, and no, and if your answer is wrong, then it will say your guess is incorrect. So let's get started. So we click on start new projects, and the project name is Fun with Maths. Done. Now we go to screen 1 properties. Theme is device default, and title is nothing. Done. Now we drag one vertical arrangement from the layout, and the align horizontal is center 3 and align vertical is center 2. Height is fill parent and width is also fill parent. Background color is cyan, and now we drag one label. The label font size is 25, font bold, and font color is black, and the text is 0. Now we duplicate it 2 more times. Now the label 2 text is sign. Done. Now we drag one text box, and the text box width is 50%. Font size is 20 and font bold. Now we drag one horizontal arrangement, and background color is none. Align horizontal and align vertical is center 2 and 3, and now the height is fill parent and width is also fill parent. No, the height is 10% and the width is fill parent. So now we drag one button in it from the user interface, and the button 1 text is skip. Font bold, font size is 20, background color is dark blue, and the text color is cyan. Now we duplicate it 1 more time, and the text of button 2 is submit. Now we will drag one more horizontal arrangement, and the height is automatic, width is fill parent, and background color is none. Line horizontal is center 3 and line vertical is center 2. Now we drag one label. The label font size is 19 and font bold, and the text of the first label is your guess is. Now we duplicate it, and the text for label 5 is 9 to 10 dots. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so now we are done with the blocks part. After now we will See you in the next video.